Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous Father's Day photo frame. So I have written DAD, that is dad, and on both the D's I have added shaker element, and in the center on A I have created photo frame. So you can just slide photograph from top like this, and the flowers are also handmade and it's looking like this from back side, and you can just stand it on your desk to decorate. So let's get started. So here I am taking this dad cutout which I have given in as a template in description box, and you can just download it, print it and trace on your mount board or cardboard and just cut it. Now I'm going to cut these center parts using my paper cutter because we don't need those portions. So slowly I am cutting this. Like this. In the same way I will cut this and this. So this is done. Now I'm going to cover it with red color paper. So just rotate your frame and stick it like this. Then I'm taking my paper cutter and just cutting some small fringes all around the design so that we can stick it and cover all the edges. So in the same way just complete it, and it's done. It's looking very vibrant and very nice, and from back side it is looking like this. So just to cover and give little finished look, I am adding one more same cutout on this side as well. So just adding glue and adding red color cutout on back side. So this is done. Now here I have prepared some pattern paper letter cutouts for DAD. So I'm just adding these cutouts on our individual letters. And this is done. You just need to trace it and you will get the letter. Now here I'm taking this ring which is little bigger than our center circle, and I have used my mount board to create this ring. Now I'm just cutting or dividing this ring in half. Add glue and connect your remaining half ring with this, and I'm going to stick this on back side of A. So I'm preparing the frame so that we can insert photograph easily. So just sticking this semicircle like this, and on top of this I'm adding one pattern paper circle. So just add glue on the ring and connect the circle. And this is done. So we can just slide the photograph from top and it will look like this. So I'm just showing you quickly how it will work. So just taking one circle and you can slide from top like this. Very easy. Now I am starting with the stand. So I'm taking this pattern paper which measures 24 by 5 centimeters and this mount board strip which measures 11 by 2 centimeters. So I'm just going to stick the mount board piece on the pattern paper strip. So just add glue and connect it. And the back portion we have to fold in zigzag manner like this. So it should look like a M shape. Now I am just cutting these two side strips and covering our mount board. Like this. Just fold the upper part and don't stick it right now, and also cutting the excess strip from bottom. So it should look like this. Okay, now taking back my frame and I'm going to stick my stand with the frame like this, exactly in the center. So just add glue on these folded parts and stick it in the center. So our stand is ready. Now I'm decorating the letters using some border punches and circle cutout. Then I have planned to create shaker elements for both the D letters. So here I have already prepared one D ring and adding one acetate sheet with this. So it will look like this. And now I'm going to stick this on top of our D ring gap. In the same way, I am adding on this D. Allow it to dry. Then I am going to pour some flower pearls and some sequences from back side of the D. And then I'm covering it with the off-white color circle just to secure our shaker. And now it's ready. Yeah, our shaker element is done. In the same way, I have added the shaker elements on other D and it's ready. Looking very cute. Now it's time to make some paper flowers. So here I have some paper flowers of 8 petals and I'm going to color these flowers using poppy red and yellow color. I'm coloring it from both the sides. You can also make quilling flowers to decorate your frame. Now I'm just sprinkling some water on these flowers and making it wet. Meanwhile, I'm coloring the leaves as well using leaf green and dark green color. For darker green, I am using library green. So just coloring the tips of each leaf using library green color. It will give very nice shade to the leaf. Then sprinkling some water on leaf as well. And then I will start doing the embossing work on my flowers. So I'm taking my embossing pad and small size groove golf tool and shaping each flower. Now just rotate it and pinch in the center using ball tool. In the same way, I have created some more. So I'm just layering some flowers to create the layered flower. Some in small size and some in large size. Now I'm adding little glue in the center and adding black color flower pearls as a pollen. So flowers are ready. Now I'm going to emboss all the leaves in the same manner. In the same way, I have prepared some more leaves already. Now taking back the frame and I will start decorating it using handmade flowers and leaves. You can also use ready-made flowers to decorate this. Then I have some cute golden foliage cutouts. So I'm adding these here and there for little sparkly look. And in the same way I will add here also. Now I am adding some sequences here and there, so I'm using yellow color sequences. All the craft supply links are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. Like this. So a beautiful dad photo frame is ready for Father's Day, and you can just simply slide the photograph from back side like this. Very easy. And I'm also telling you the diameter of the photograph which you have to take. So quickly I'm grabbing my ruler, and the diameter of this circle is approximately 10 centimeters. Okay, so you have to cut your photograph in 10 centimeter diameter round shape. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. I am waiting for your comments. See you next time. Bye.